I think that's enough. Something very silky here. I'm gonna move all of these stuff down.
So which one are you gonna use?
I think I wanna try to do. I think I'm gonna see if one of the cone works. If I can get it to stand. I think I have to hold it.
Is that how we go?
I don't know. Hold on a second. It says to pour that thing in there. Actually, maybe we should do that one. I don't know.
Which one's this one?
The one in that part. And if you want to, you can mix and match that has like this one was the strawberry, like this one was the vanilla, but you can put the strawberry on this one.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna remove everything from here. Put this here.
Okay.
Let me just pick this here. And I'm gonna make a yummy delicious sundae. So if you want to do this, make sure you take out this little funny that you did, and then you take the stuff and you get it in here.
The lip gloss.
Yeah. Kind of hard because it's very sticky. I don't know if you really have to do this though. Actually, I do because you have to put in the things, but I don't know if you really have to squirt it out or can you get the thing out.
Yes, I believe.
This is tricky. Ah! So,
would you like some help?
yes, please. It's very hard. It doesn't even look like it's getting there. So we can push it, right?
Yeah. We'll see. See what happens.
Imagine if it turned into this strawberry one because it smells like strawberries.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's
you ready to push it?
Yeah. Can I push it?
Of course.
Okay, put your finger here. Make sure that's lined up correctly. Oh, it's coming.
And then, oh yeah.
I think you're gonna pick it out. Ah, my hands are all sticky.
My hands are sticky too.
Okay. Ooh, that has a lot. I'm going to push it a little more.
Ooh.
And a pretty pink color.
Do you pull it out again?
Let me pull that.
Ooh, there you go.
That's strong. So everything is filled with this.
Oh.
I think there could be a little bit more. I think there could be a little bit more though.
I think you should try on. Or maybe you should try on what's left over in here.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to put this back. Wait, you put this here?
I don't think there's any more in there, Mama.
I wanna try it though. Ah! This thing goes down. Just place this right here.
Yep, I think that was it. So try on. Let's see. Where's your little mirror?
Where's it? Oh. I want to try it. Can you hold it for me?
Yes, I may.
Smells
It
delicious.
does. Smells like I want to eat it. So.
Perfect.
Ooh. Beautiful. Now show your guys.
Look at it.
Let me get a little bit of that.
Ah! My hair got sticky again. Okay, now I want to put on this pink.
So how do you like this toy?
I really like it because you can make your own chapstick, and because you can make your own chapstick, and you could make 2 type of flavors, and you can add glitter in it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.